I almost didn't go to this event because imposter syndrome kicked in hard. I've at least skipped a few networking events where I feel like I'm not enough for a technical event. Why is that? I'm scared to represent who I am. I'm a woman in tech who knows her shit. The reason being, like, I feel like when I go there, I don't know how to interact, or I feel like I don't know how to interact. How will I know until I've actually tried it? So I would even not be invited to this event if I was not good enough, right? And today I was like, okay, this is it. If I don't do it today, I'm never doing it. So we're here in Toronto. I'm at a networking tech event. Imposter syndrome is kicking in, but I need to realize that I have done so many great projects over the last 5+ years, and why am I scared? Why am I scared of representing who I am? Well, today is going to be just that, trying something out of my comfort zone, knowing that this could be going either ways. I mean, think about this for once. Like, men don't really go through this at all. I feel like imposter syndrome is not something I don't know, like, do you guys deal with it? That's one of the reasons I actually want to do it, because I know I'm enough. I know a lot that I can talk about. I have amazing projects on my belt that I can actually talk about, and I'm good at it. So this is what I'm going to show today, and actually show up for my first tech networking event, because I'm worth it. I went in and the first thing I did was get something to eat to calm my nerves. Well, the food was there, but anyway, the event was really good. I got to hear some good leaders speak and also talk to them. I made it. I was able to have really great conversations with a lot of leaders from the tech team. Why haven't I done this before? Anyway, I'm super excited that I got to do this, and super grateful that I was able to actually pull this off. It was my first networking event in forever. This event just instilled that I know so much already. Why am I scared? Why am I scared to be there, to claim what's mine, to claim my space in this industry that I'm so passionate about? I do projects in this, so why am I not leveraging all my knowledge and showing it in the right space? I was able to have intelligent conversations with people. I was killing it. I killed it. That I pushed myself to do this because it really made me realize what my true potential is.